What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You guys are joining in back again with another episode of DIecast Maniac. And today we are bringing in another new RWB, and as you guys can see, for the new year we made a bit of a change. We actually changed the area that we record in, and hopefully you guys will like it. And starting off with the year, we have an RWB, and this is actually the very first Timothy and Perry brand I have in my collection, and this was recently brought to the collection. And this is another RWB, and this is actually the Tiffany Blue Rough Passion RWB that we have today. And actually a few months ago I did a review on the PGM Tiffany Blue RWB that came out on September or October, as I remember. It came as a limited edition with 999 pieces worldwide, and today we have the Timothy and Perry Tiffany Blue Rough Passion RWB with only 499 pieces worldwide. So let's get into the car. So there we have it, it's out of the box, and you guys can see they have put up a small view of a diorama with the actual car in it. And so this is the actual car, and this is the model of it. When it comes to Timothy and Perry, they're actually pretty good in the details, and they think very deep into the details, and that is why it's actually more expensive than the rest of the RWB models. And even the packaging and the box, as you can see, this is the acrylic box itself is a bit stronger. And with the car stage, they also have another acrylic stage in below, and as you guys can see, they have mentioned the plate with the Timothy and Perry with the details, and the 911 coupe, 499 pieces worldwide. And talking about this, I actually got the PGM model as well here with me, so just to do a small comparison. This is not actually the same car, but color wise and the body kit wise it actually looks very similar. Just the difference is that I see the PGM is a bit of a light blue, and the Timothy and Perry RWB is a bit of a dark blue. And also the wheels are different. Here in the PGM you have silver alloy wheels, and in the Timothy and Perry you get the same alloy wheels as the car color. And rear wing is both the same, and the rear view looks the same as well. The only difference is Timothy and Perry you can't actually open up the body parts, but still a good comparative display when it comes to the details. And yeah, so we compared that, and even the box, as I said, the display, everything looks a bit better when it comes to Timothy and Perry. But since PGM actually has their opening parts, which you can see, and that adds up to the details, and actually adds up to a bit more points in order to defeat Timothy and Perry. But Timothy and Perry has been launching a few good set of Porsches lately, and they're coming in really good colors, especially metallic colors, and some colors that we don't get to see very often. So that is it for today, and this is the RWB Rough Passion Timothy and Perry edition. And as always, hope you guys enjoy the video, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.